Welcome back to another episode of Python tutorial by FocusUs. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn about dictionary. Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items. While all the data has only a value as an element, a dictionary has a key and a value pair. In Python, we can define a dictionary by enclosing a comma-separated list of key-value pairs in curly brackets. A colon is used to separate a key from its value. To illustrate about it, let us create a dictionary D1 and type 1, which is key, and Superman, which is the value of the key 1. And let us type print D1, and when we run the program, we get the output of our dictionary. Let us add another component to our dictionary, and let 2 be the key and Batman be the value of it. Another key be 3 and its value be flash. In order to obtain values in a dictionary, we use square brackets, and inside the square bracket we type in the key of the value. Suppose we want to get Superman from our dictionary, so for that we type D1, and inside our square bracket we type 1 because 1 is the key of our value Superman. So now when we run the program, we get the output Superman. Similarly, when we want to print flash, we type 3 over here and we run the program and we get the output flash. In many cases, we have to add another component to our dictionary. We do that by typing the dictionary name, and inside the square bracket we type key and assign it with certain value. To add a new value to our dictionary D1, we type D1 square bracket and we have to type our key. Let us say the key be 4 and we have to assign it some value. This time the value be 1 Roman. And we type print D1, and when we run the program, we get the updated dictionary. In order to print 1 Roman from our dictionary, we simply type square bracket and 4 because 4 is the key of our value 1 Roman, and when we run the program, we get 1 Roman. In many cases, we have to print the keys of the dictionary. For that, we use for loop. So let us erase this line, and we use for loop by typing for our variable x and in D1, and when we type print x and when we run the program, we get all the keys of our dictionary. And to print the values of our dictionary, we type D1 square bracket and x, because in this loop x has been assigned with keys of our dictionary. So when we run the program, we get all the values of our dictionary. In many large programs, a dictionary can also contain many dictionaries, and it is called nested dictionaries. So to play around with nested dictionaries, let us create a nested dictionary. So first of all, let us erase this all. Let the name of the dictionary be A, and inside the dictionary we type 1 colon, and let us create another dictionary inside our dictionary, and let its key be A and its value be Superman. Again, let the key be B and its value be Batman. Now let us close the dictionary and let us add another component to our dictionary. Let the key be 2, and inside our dictionary we are going to use another dictionary. Let the first key be C and its value be flash. Another key be D and its value be 1 Roman. Here we have created a nested dictionary and we have assigned a value to the alphabets. Suppose we want to display all the superheroes' name from our dictionary. Since it is a nested dictionary, we have to use nested loop. So for that we type for x in A. Again we are going to use for loop inside it. We type for y in, and we type A curly bracket x. Here y has been assigned the value of the key 1 And to print all the superheroes from our dictionary, we type print A, X, and Y. And when we run the program, we get all the superheroes from inside our dictionary. So this is how you can play around with dictionary in Python. So now I'll see you in the next tutorial.